Second, weed control. Is it okay for me to blanket spray Image product that you've been talking about on top of Roundup Safe for the Lawn? So I've been blanket spraying with, spot spraying with Roundup Safe for the Lawn in some areas, but probably need to do a blanket application just to be able to get some of those weeds under control. I did throw down dimension in mid-March at 4.6 pounds per thousand before I started listening to you, but now that I've started listening, I'm going to throw down to Sunnyland at 3 pounds per thousand here in the next week or so. So I want to get that kind of overlap in terms of safe application or safe coverage throughout the summer. I do plan on fall overseeding in around the first to second week of October. That's where my soil temps sit around 70 degrees. So trying to get my strategy together on that.
Now, the other question he had was here about weeds and weed control in Tall Fescue and an Image product. So you guys have seen I use here in my area, I use an Image for Southern Lawns product to kill weeds. It has been an incredible weed control. It's available over the counter pretty much anywhere. It comes in hose-in sprayer options, which we call ready to spray. It comes in an option where I can get it in a gallon pre-mixed under the brand name, which is Roundup, and it's Roundup for Lawns. I can get that in a 1 gallon ready to use, which is a spot sprayer that I can just patrol with, and then I can get the concentrate and mix up a couple gallons if I need to blanket spray. So it's been an incredible product. It's got a purple label. It's called Image for Southern Lawns. It is awesome for St. Augustine grass. It's fine for Floritan, but you can use it in Bermuda and Zoysia as well as Centipede. I think Ryegrass can also use it. Check the label. That is not going to be for you, Chase, though, with Turf Type Tall Fescue. Now, you do have a green labeled Image product that you can get. And so that green label Image product has got sulfentrazone and quinclorac in it. Now that'll be fine for Turf Type Tall Fescue, but I wouldn't use that necessarily as my primary weed control. What I would use that for is if you had a sedge problem, and I don't know how strong the quinclorac is in it, but quinclorac can take out a few things, obviously crabgrass, which I don't think you'd have a problem with yet. So I think I would primarily use that for a sedge product. Either way, it's not the best product for Turf Type Tall Fescue at all, no matter what. A better product for you would be Speed Zone. Speed Zone is a really good weed control that I would consider a professional weed control, but it's available in smaller quantities. They have a 20 ounce, I believe you can get. And it's affordable and it's easy to get. You can get it online. Now it's got 2,4-D, carfentrazone, dicamba, and the MCPP. Yeah, you know me. That's what's in it. So it's got a really good mix, and the 2,4-D is in a much higher concentration of the ester formulation, so it's going to do really, really well at taking out most of the weeds that you're going to face in Tall Fescue. So I would go that route rather than that Image product. And as far as getting your ferts down and everything, it sounds like you're thinking through the strategy. It sounds like you're on your way, and I bet you're going to have great success this year, my friend. Thanks for your question.